Kennel cough on the rise, here's how to keep your pet safe. Back to school may mean a rise in cases of the common cold. Summer vacations seem to have created a rise in kennel cough, which is the common cold for dogs. According to Dr. Jeanette O'Quinn, a veterinarian with OSU College of Veterinary Medicine, vacations meant more boarding of pets, and more time meeting up with pet friends in dog parks seems to have passed the infection around. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. Vaccination is one of the most important things we can do. We don't have a vaccine for everything that causes kennel cough, but we do have vaccines for the most common, like Bordetella and parainfluenza. So keeping those vaccines current, especially if you're in situations where they're gonna be around other dogs. Coughing is an obvious sign, and they may sneeze and act lethargic. These can usually be treated with antibiotics. Prevention considerations would be to call a boarding company and ask if they are seeing much sickness before you board, have your pet vaccinated, and if you notice another pet showing cold symptoms while out in the neighborhood, avoid the animal and keep your distance.